Imagine this, for over 2,000 years, the world's wealth moved along a single network, the legendary Silk Road. Empires rose because of it. Cities became rich overnight. And whoever controlled it, controlled global trade. But today, a new battle is unfolding. China is rebuilding the Silk Road. India, Europe, and the Middle East are building a rival corridor. To mega projects, trillions of dollars. One goal: dominate the future of trade. So the real question is, who will win? The Silk Road wasn't just a road. It was a vast network connecting China to Europe through Central Asia. Silk, spices, gold, ideas, even religions, everything flowed through it. But over time, it faded. Sea routes became faster. Empires collapsed. And the Silk Road became history, until China decided to bring it back. In 2013, China launched the Belt and Road Initiative, a modern version of the Silk Road, with railways, highways, ports, and pipelines, stretching across Asia, Africa, and Europe. Over 140 countries involved. Investments worth more than $1 trillion. The goal, simple: control global supply chains, reduce dependence on sea routes, and become the center of world trade. But there's a catch: many countries are falling into debt. Some projects remain unfinished, and critics call it debt diplomacy. Still, China is moving fast, and the world is watching. Now enters a challenger. In 2023, during the G20 Summit, a new trade route was announced: the India-Middle East-Europe corridor. This route connects India, Middle East, and Europe using railways, ports, and shipping lanes. Backed by India, the US, Saudi Arabia, UAE, and the EU. Why does it matter? Because it offers faster transit times, lower political risk, and more transparency. And most importantly, it bypasses China completely. Now the real battle begins. China's Silk Road, massive scale, already operational, strong financial backing. But debt concerns, political resistance, and trust issues. Middle East corridor, strategic partnerships, cleaner image, faster routes between India and Europe. But still in early stages, depends on geopolitical stability. So this isn't just about trade. It's about power. Who controls the routes? Controls the economy? This is where things get intense. China wants to dominate trade through infrastructure. The US and its allies want to counter that influence. India wants to become a manufacturing hub. The Middle East wants to become a logistics powerhouse. Europe wants secure supply chains. This isn't cooperation. This is competition, a silent economic war. The future of trade won't be decided overnight. Both corridors may coexist, or one may dominate. But one thing is certain: we are entering a new era, a world where trade routes define power, where infrastructure decides influence, and where nations race not with weapons, but with connectivity. So next time you buy something online, remember, it traveled through a route part of the biggest economic battle of our time.